y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I did this low sleek ponytail on my natural hair. As you all can see, it is crusty, it is dusty, it is dry, it is matted, it is everything today. I am starting off on dirty hair because I did not have intentions to wear this hairstyle a full week, and yeah, I just needed something to do to my hair. I am adding lots and lots of water because it is lacking a little moisture, and I want to rejuvenate and re-moisturize my hair before sleeking it down. Because I do have low porosity hair, I do have to work every single product within, and that is why it took me a while to get the water to penetrate my strands. I am going ahead and parting off my hair first, and I am going to move forward with sectioning my hair. I do everything in sections because it works best. And a pro tip I have for these sleek ponytails is to always make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled before sleeking it back. I am going to use a little bit of this almond milk leave-in conditioner by Carol's Daughter because this does aid in moisture for my hair. I am going to further detangle, and I'm going to start from the ends and work my way up to the roots. This also prevents unnecessary breakage, and it makes sure that your ponytail is as sleek as possible. Some people have a love-hate relationship with this edge booster, but honey, I tell you, this gives me the sleekest ponytails possible on top of anything I have ever used. The only thing that I can say about edge booster is that it is not recommended to reapply throughout the week because it can cause a little bit of flakiness, but if you do a one-time slit back with this edge booster and tie your hair up nicely, you'll be fine. As you all can see, I am applying the edge booster to the perimeter of the entire section, and I am using my wet brush to move that product throughout my hair to make sure that the root and the base of the hair is as slick as possible. I'm only going to secure this ponytail twice because we have a lot more hair to add into this ponytail piece. So of course you want to move up into the crown of the head. For me, my crown gets real kinky, so of course it takes a little bit of extra oomph and a little bit of extra strength to get that crown as slick as possible. I am adding my edge booster on top of that, and I am bringing the edge booster a little bit close to the ends just to make sure that it is going to continue to lay as smooth as possible. As you all can see, I really do have very thick hair, so me going in with the wet brush to further smooth really helps me get the sleek look that I am going for. And of course, we are going to repeat this process in the front with applying a little bit of moisturizing products, including water, then detangling, and then getting a slit back. Once I get to the front, I will go ahead and start styling my baby hairs because this day and time and in this season, especially spring, the style is not complete without a few baby hairs. Most of you all know I don't own a hard brush, so of course sometimes I'll bust out that little edge brush just to get a little sleekerization going on. And the reason why I don't own a hard brush is because I know that I would be inclined to do a lot of hairstyles like this a lot more often. And I don't think that these hairstyles are good to do like every single week, only because of the tension it causes on the hair. I am adding the dew mousse to my edges, and one thing that I have learned from this product is that not only is it going to give shine, but it's going to set your natural hair in place without causing your hair to revert back to its kinky curly state, and it just really works well, and it doesn't cause any flaking. So I really love this product, and I feel like it gave my sleek ponytail an extra touch. Once the ponytail is slicked back, I am going to band the hair that is coming from my ponytail. Most people will do a braid. However, with the density and thickness of my hair, it would just have taken too much energy for me to plait my hair and then turn it around. So I am just banding it, which is quicker, and creating a little ball, and I am going to secure it in this ball. I am using my ponytail extension today. It has 2 combs and 1 drawstring. You all have seen me use this ponytail quite a few times, but I will still link it in the description box for you. I purchased it off of Amazon for a very affordable price because this is natural kinky curly hair, and I really love this ponytail. All I had to do was wash it and condition it, and I didn't add any products to the ponytail, and the curls are literally popping. I did go ahead and secure the drawstring just to make sure that it was out of the way, and now I am going to add some setting strips to the perimeter of my hair to set my baby hairs and also to set my edges. I will add a scarf on later just to make sure that everything is going to set in place and that I am not going to have any additional frizzes. Once I showered and got ready, I did notice that my hair was still a little bit wet in some places, so I did decide to use my swirly curly hair dryer, which I'll also link that in the description box for you all, to further dry my hair to make sure that it was completely set in place. Here are the final results. I absolutely really love this hairstyle. I only had intentions of wearing it for a couple of days and ended up wearing it longer, so I did bypass wash day with this hairstyle. But I really hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and as always, I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!